Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, let us translate paragraph exercise number 8 from Urdu to English. मैं एक गली में रहता हूँ जहाँ तमाम किस्म के लोग रहते हैं. I live in a street where all sorts of people live. या all kinds of people live. या all types of people live. I live in a street where all sorts of people live. मेरे घर के आसपास बहुत से मकानात हैं. There are many houses near my house. There are many houses around my house. मेरे घर के करीब एक कारोबारी आदमी रहता है. There lives a businessman near my house. या a businessman lives near my house. उसकी शहर के एक बड़े बाजार में एक कपड़े की दुकान है. He has a cloth shop in a main bazaar of the city. वो बहुत अमीर है. He is very rich. मगर अपने मकान पर ज़्यादा खर्च नहीं करता. He does not spend much on his house. He is very rich, he does not spend much on his house. नतीजतन ये मकान हमेशा से बुरी हालत में है. Consequently, this house is always in bad condition. The vocabulary of difficult words: आस-पास around, कारोबारी आदमी बिजनेसमैन, खर्च करना spend, नतीजतन consequently, बुरी हालत bad condition. Okay dear students, stay blessed and have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.